Hey guys, this is DeSHANTA B, and keeping my word, I finally finished cooking my deep fried mustard style chicken legs. To the left, you are looking at the dry chicken legs seasoned with mustard, and to the right, you are looking at the wet, deep fried chicken legs cooked with the mustard sauce or your regular everyday mustard. Guys, this chicken tastes so good. But I just wanted to tell you that I changed the barbecue sauce to the Sweet Baby Ray's Sweet Golden Mustard Style Barbecue Sauce. There are several barbecue sauces that you can try. Also, too, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to list the ingredients needed for this recipe so that when I upload this how-to video, you will have your ingredients and you can cook along with the video. The video that I will upload will be a how-to, beginner-friendly, step-by-step, no-fail video. So guys, with that being said, you know what I'm about to say. Go ahead and go out, read the ingredient list that's going to be in the show more in the description box, and give this recipe a try and stop playing. And until next time, bye guys.